Got out of that. But they goosed her backwards and almost hit the...
Buddy trying to back up here, guys. Or park or something.
Yeah, he's trying to park.
This is about his 4th time backing up?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's short.
Yep.
Short, guys?
Oh, he's shoveling.
Are you put their remote on?
Oh, chip off.
Oh.
Turn the TV down so we can hear.
Buddy with the shorts, I guess, is coming in, while the other buddy shovels his way in.
Jesus Christ.
That window.
There's leaking air. Ah, Buddy's on his cell phone now.
Where the hell are you going?
Right next to my car. Happy they haven't backed into it yet. Ah, there goes the cell phone. Too bad he wasn't on a better angle. I could get his license plate. Ooh, that sounded wet. Ah, the friggin' bugger even has his license plate snow covered. So even if he hit my car, I couldn't tell.
Grader.
Grader!
Yeah, ADD kicks in.
Random grader. Going down the road. Yeah. And back to guys shoveling snow.
It doesn't matter if you keep shoveling, because you can't back up either way. Like, he has, what, at least 12 feet between you and the other guy?
Yep.
And he can't back into it.
No, he's really good at backing towards the blue car, though.
Well, he can hit that one.
Yep. I hope he is, like, stuck right there, and he goes full tilt into the back of the car. The blue car. Because I have it on video.
As long as someone can get downstairs to get his license plate quick enough.
Oh man, it's the car with white car, the blue hood.
A black front fender.
Black front fender. Oh, there's a smashed up car. The back and flat there. There we go.
Okay then.
There we go.
Give her. Give her.
Mm-hmm. He's still going backwards?
Nope, it stopped there. His lights are right in front of that silver car.
Okay.
And the city cap. Is
Here we go. Here we go.
And worse.
Failure.
Failure to launch.
Attempt number 1, failure. I so should YouTube this.
Yeah.
Even though my voice is on it, but oh well. I'm not as drunk as I was. Those strips helped.
Here we go. Here we go.
Failure number...
He's gonna go sideways in his vehicle. He keeps that up.
Yep, he went sideways. But he didn't hit no vehicle yet. Wonder if attempt 3 will work. How much this guy would pay probably to get a Porsche right now?
The cool air is making the window better. Here we go.
Ooh. And oh.
So close.
So close, buddy. You hit my car, you're going to die.
He's not gonna
Well, no, he's not going to die. He's just going to owe you whatever he He brakes.
That car, that side of my vehicle doesn't really need any more bumps in it. He's not going anywhere. You need a truck there, buddy. Oh. He's out again.
Get your shovel.
In the shovel. Yeah, shoveling only 2 feet in front of you really doesn't help. Just to let you know. Wow, my car's dirty. Oh, thanks, buddy. I really need to be shoveled in.
Look how deep it is, though.
I know, but I don't really want to be shoveled in here. This is so fun. Watching somebody work.
I bet you all the floors above us are watching this too.
Oh yeah. Anyone that's awake and paying any attention outside. Snow's still blowing, as you can see.
There goes that plug in.
Oh, he's pretty much plowing snow on that car.
I don't mind.
As long as it's not yours, man.
Yep. Put it on the roof, buddy. I have proof that you put snow on it. Wait, is he parked yet?
No. Just shovel it around the tires now.
I'm pretty sure he has to back up at least one more time.
Oh yeah, at least.
No, not even taking the shovel with him.
Don't even bother with the back seat now.
Do you lock your keys in?
That would be so hilarious.
Oh.
Oh. Him having to smash the window of his own vehicle. You hit my car? You're dead. You're not gonna... Wow.
Hey!
That was a good fucking idea.
Snowplow.
Now where are you going? You were following.
Straighten it.
Yeah, right.
Ha ha ha. Ah. Oh.
At least he's not close to you, man.
Yeah,
But he's definitely getting dangerously close to that blue vehicle.
especially where his car keeps flying sideways.
And down the hill. I'm happy I'm parked uphill.
There's that other one that's behind him too, eh?
Yeah. He's within like a foot of that guy. You gonna leave her there high and dry?
Yeah.
High and dry.
The end, guys. He finally got there. How many minutes was that? Probably 10.